This video shows you where and how to remove the jammed paper in the paper transport with folding option of your printer. Remove the jammed paper in the paper transport bin. Open door F. Open door N4 and then open door N5. Remove the jammed paper between doors N4 and N5. Close door N5 and then close door N4. Push down handle N1. Turn knob N2 counterclockwise. Remove the jammed paper inside handle N1. To avoid damaging the printer, remove any hand accessories before removing the jammed paper. Return handle N1 to its original position. Close door F.